end of the season and our dear friend from California is here, so we thought we'll give you a garden tour because it's going to be very cold and all the crops are going to go, so this is the right time. It's going to be a little long video, but you're going to enjoy until the end. So this is our little India patch. This is where we have the jowar, bajra, corn along with the pumpkin, and this is peanuts. So Georgia is well known for growing peanuts. Of course the peanuts grow underneath, so when I pluck there are going to be peanuts. I'm going to wait a little more. And then of course the pumpkins are also growing here. So this is a concept of three sisters right behind me, and we really enjoyed growing it. This is our first year gardening. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So on the left side what you see is 6 types of organic tomatoes. These are the Roma tomatoes. You can see how they are growing, very easy to grow. And of course we have trouble with others eating our veggies, so it's sharing and caring. We have to put a net beneath so that you don't get any of the critters. For now I'm going to give it to the animals.
She got something.
Oh, she has the cherry tomatoes. In between what you see growing is nothing but the batua. So Tsakwat, India Made. So it's now into the seeding mode. So it's going to create seeds. This is how I save the seeds as well. So when you have basil growing near the tomato patch, the tomatoes have lot of flavor. So you can see how much basil is growing. I'm going to harvest all of this. I freeze it. We make pesto sauce for some of it. We use walnut, olive oil and these leaves with a lot of chilies and lovely pesto sauce. So this is where our pepper patch is, and there are varieties of peppers. So these are the orange ones. We also have the red ones. These are called the tiffin peppers, like lunch tiffin. I think lunch tiffin. So you can eat it raw. You want to try?
Chili pepper, sweet chili pepper.
Sweet. It's not a sweet chili pepper. It's called a lunch tiffin lunch peppers.
It's not spicy.
I'm going to guinea pig on her. I have not eaten it. But they're sweet. I'm sure they're sweet. Okay, I'm going to try.
The sweet chili peppers with tomatoes, they'll be amazing.
These are supposed to be eaten raw. A lot of fiber. So very good in taste. Now look at these ones. These are the red chilies, big ones.
Wow.
Look at the size of it. It's nice. Over here are again some different types. Oh, these are habaneros, I guess. I don't remember what it is. But these are the sweet banana peppers. You can see how many of them are loaded.
Wow.
I have not had time to harvest, but they grow so fast that literally there is hardly any time. Okay, Parimal, if you can focus on these. These are the red peppers. Look at the size of them. The whole plant is full of them, but I cannot go inside to give you a view. Maybe the cameraman can go, I don't know. Okay, yeah. Look at the way the plant is loaded.
Wow.
Wait a minute. Take this properly.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So less leaves and more peppers. So if I count on one plant, one, and look at the size of the pepper, okay? Can you see it? The size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other branch also has around 6 peppers. So this is only one plant full of peppers.
So I can name that plant as Mirchi Set.
Mirchi set, yeah. Look at these banana peppers over here. Okay. Now what you see on the last side, it's nothing but sweet potatoes growing. And we had also potatoes growing in it. I have not harvested them. But what you see in the whole garden is that we have planted very densely. And that's why there are no weeds. That's how we manage the weeds. We do not have time working in the garden. So the sweet potato has captured almost the whole area. See, there are more peppers here as well. And there are caterpillars. I don't know which worms are eating the leaves. But that's the sign of organic garden. That you will see. Look at the loaded peppers. You see all this? We freeze our vegetables so that we can continue our homesteading even in the winter. Look at the peppers
Wow.
over here. Go that side, Parimal. Yeah,
Another mirchi set.
yeah. Now look at the size of the peppers. Over here are another type of tomatoes. This is what our son had started. So I just wanted to give him an experience of growing tomatoes. Again, whenever there are tomatoes, I have basil as well as oregano planted. So this is basil, this is oregano. All of these herbs give very nice flavor to the tomatoes. Okay, and then you can see marigolds everywhere in the garden. This actually helps keeping the bad pests away. Okay, like they will attract the wasps, beneficial, and then it will help pollination as well. And that is why we have marigolds planted everywhere. So this is the section where all our eggplants, brinjals, I love to call them brinjals.
Wanga.
Yes, every plant is loaded, like loaded. You're going, and there are 6 varieties or 6 or 8
This is
varieties of eggplants. Yeah, it's because of the weight, it's falling
Actually
down.
came out.
Yeah, you can show the type. So I completely forgot now
Can I
which.
take this to California?
Yeah, if it is allowed, why not? Look at them. You can take the whole basket. There are green eggplants over here. कुठेतरी ना ते
White
एकदम ते, हं, ते पर्पल एक होतं कुठेतरी.
Yeah, nice.
छोटे वाले होते ते छोटे वाले.
हे इथे
ते
हे
मला
बघ इथे
कधीच हे बघ हे बघ. हं?
Hey, what are these?
Look at these. छोटे छोटे छोटे.
that is yellow eggplant.
Oh,
Are you
I think it's overripe. That's why.
That's green turned into
Parimal,
yellow.
over there. See, that is another difference.
कृष्णेकाठची वांगी म्हणतात तीच का
काय माहिती
काटेरी
बाबा.
वांगी
मला नावे नाही माहिती कोणाची हे.
हो पांढरा इज द रिझन इट्स कॉल्ड eggplant.
Yeah, that is why it is called an eggplant. It looks like an
Oh,
egg.
yeah, I know. They look like one.
आणि इकडे मोठी भरताची वांगी आहेत.
Yes. ही अशी मोठी मोठी. Okay. Now I can't find where they are inside. Look at the. So. Oh yes. याचं कसे लाईन्स आलेत. तिकडे पण अजून मोठे असतील. Yeah. Now let's go to the next. ओव्याची पानं. It is called ova, but it is not ajwain plant. It is type of an oregano, Mexican oregano, I think. But the leaf, oh my goodness, it is so amazing. Our next video will be maybe the pakodas of this. Wonderful. This is our trellis for the beans. Of course, the beans are overdone. So I'm going to just harvest the beans for now. And then maybe we'll do a video for a quick recipe. This is nothing but gongura, ambadi. So we love this veggie. I take all the leaves out and I will freeze it. Okay, हे वरचं जे आहे, this one is nothing but papdi. हे बघ इथे यायला लागली आहे. So you can see this loves little bit of cold weather, and you can
Look
see
at
the
here.
purple. Yeah, look at that. Purple flowers and just the steam pods. Yum yum yum. या साईडला जाऊया. Okay, this is another variety of, this is yellow pepper. अर्ध खाऊन टाकलंय वाटतं, पण हे असंच येल्लो होतं. इकडे अजून रेड पेपर आहे आतमध्ये आणि ते सगळ्या मिरच्या आहेत, ती दाखवते बंच. सो आय हॅव ॲटलीस्ट 4 or 5 green chili plant, and of course the jalapenos are also there. Let's go over here, Parima. This is again a squash. We have not harvested. I didn't take care of this section, so there was some water problem over here. Very much, but it's ready actually. But I'm going to let the animals eat it. So let's go to the next section.
Strawberry.
Yeah, this is a strawberry. It's actually covered with half of the marigolds over there. And over here are the Kesher bulbs. They have not sprouted yet. I am watching it very closely. Again a marigold patch. Yeah, that is okay, so let's proceed. Oh, this is our favorite. This is my favorite pathway. Okay, this is the pathway at the entrance with all the lovely flowers. I actually got these from our old house and planted.
Wow.
शेवंती आहे इतकी सुंदर आणि त्याचा इतका मस्त सुवास येतो. It's like one of my favorite thing
Color
to.
is also so bright.
हा हा हा. इकडे वडाचं झाड आहे. So this is nothing but a banyan tree that I ordered online. And it was so tiny. And look at it, in 2 months, it's a beautiful plant. तिकडे आहे ते निंबाचं रोप आहे.
Oh.
Look at it, was so tiny.
You mean neem
in just
plant?
neem
Yes.
plant.
Study leaf
Yes,
garden.
yes.
Wow.
I'm going to increase the pot size so it grows well. असं नाही येणार, चुरगाळून येईल.
Yeah. Oh,
So,
yeah. You can
yeah,
smell.
yeah. So this is the kadunimba. Okay, over here all plants for our organic honey. Okay. This is a beautiful turmeric patch. This time I did a very small patch. Usually I make little longer. But then there are 2 types of turmeric. The mango turmeric that remains smaller, and then there is the other one. And I started it from the normal store. Yes, come over here. Let's go over here. So this is nothing but the Malabar spinach. In between what you see, the small things there, ginger, actually ginger plants. I should have done a better job planting it somewhere else. But this is
Aboli.
aboli, yes. This is nothing but the cosmos and my just flower garden. The season is over, so it's almost. Look at Vrunda. This is the best. This is the best place, isn't it? This is where we cook. The other side of the anger. You see our videos. Cook this. Look at that. Madam, हे देतात. हे पण.
वांग्याचं भरीत.
I wish somebody comes and cooks for us.
I can do it. I'll come stay longer.
नाही, it's okay. Yeah.
लवकर जा लवकर जा.
This is our fall veggies. I had already posted the video about it. हा मुळा आहे. Nothing but the white radish. I have not planted this chard yet, but it's a cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli. And then over here what you see is arugula. This is my favorite salad.
Oh,
I
wow.
love it. I just love it. It's just fallen from the seeds from the twigs.
That's onion?
Chives.
Onion.
Onions.
Oh.
This is all onions. Ganpati Bappa पण आहे इकडे. Okay, this is again a flower patch, but it is also a tulsi patch. So this is where the seeds will fall and again bloom next year. I believe in self-seeding, so with not much care to be taken. इकडे तेरडा आहे, जर दिसत असेल तर गणपतीसाठी मी तेरडा लावला होता. किती सुंदर आलाय ना. 3-4 कलर्स आहेत and it's beautiful. This is a sunflower patch.
संध्याकाळच्या वेळेला असल्यामुळे सगळे झोपले.
This is our okra patch. End of the season, so the plants are not doing great, but we loved it. Like it's the one of the best veggies of all. Okay, let's go. This is where all our creepers are. You can see the cucumber is growing over here, and then you can see the gourds. This is the ridge gourd.
Oh, that's good.
That's growing. We can go inside. So this is our creeper tunnel, my favorite part in the garden. So next year maybe the watering was a problem this year, but we still had lots of gourds. You can still see there's some of them still making a lot of produce. So lovely, lovely.
Wow.
Yeah. पण मला तो टनल इतका आवडतो. माझा
Oh, there is
favorite
one more छोटा.
फेवरेट पोर्शन आहे. अजून पण येतील.
इथे फुलं पण आलेत नवीन.
ते दोडकं काय?
स्टार्टेड ग्रोईंग अगेन.
हो, आणि खूपच छान.
इज इट किरण? इज इट स्टार्टेड ग्रोईंग अगेन?
हो ते परत ते अजून येईल 1 महिना. This is the portion where our long beans are growing. You can see how long they have become. Like literally, I do not have time to harvest them, but they are very, very easy. Beans are something that are really breezy. We'll make a video actually. Just cut, stir fry with garlic and put some coconut. Yum, yum, yum. But then this plant, I just want to talk about that. Let me go there.
वॉच आउट.
Yeah. So does anyone know what this plant is? तुला माहिती आहे? आपण रोज खातो याचं काहीतरी. ही तूर डाळ आहे. This is nothing but
एवढी होते?
yeah. पण ह्याला अजून शेंगा आल्याच नाहीयेत. But this was my first year just trying to grow. I don't know if it will have a weather to flower and give us some tur dal. But this is nothing but this is how the tur dal plant is. But
Nice.
it was healthy. It really grew well. Maybe we'll try to protect it from the winter and see. If
But
we
now I know why animals want to eat it from
yeah,
outside.
because it is their favorite. So this is the line just for the fruit plants. Banana, peach, pear, and then some of the blueberries. So we have to still make a better of this. We have will not be able to maintain it, but maybe for next year we need to keep something.
Volunteers. California people, volunteers.
This is where we have almost 4 grape vines. So my plan is that we are going to have a trellis, and then when the grapes such a lagadle mast view and the grapes mast Patil Kulkarni's grapevine. I'm just kidding, but it's kind of an envision that we will have the grapevines over here. So that was all about the garden right now. This is 1/4 acre. It's more than enough to self-sustain on this patch of a garden. You can even self-sustain in a very, very small gallery as well. Very easy. Next year we are going to share all the detailed videos while we plant. So you can follow us on Patil Kulkarni Farms Facebook, and then we can all grow together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.